From time to time, the automotive world presents something so extraordinary, it changes how we define luxury travel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansion Motorhome is exactly that kind of creation. This is not simply a recreational vehicle. It is a moving estate, designed for those who believe comfort should never be compromised, even on the open road. At first glance, the Mansion Motorhome carries an unmistakable presence. The grand front fascia, highlighted by a commanding grille inspired by Rolls-Royce's iconic design language, immediately communicates prestige. The sleek LED headlamps add a modern touch without sacrificing elegance. Its elongated silhouette, balanced proportions, and multi-axle stance give it authority and stability that few motorhomes can match. This is not a vehicle built around trends. It is built around legacy. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more remarkable. The living area feels closer to a private lounge than an RV cabin. Soft beige leather seating, detailed stitching, and rich wood paneling create a warm, refined atmosphere. A large entertainment display is seamlessly integrated into the wall, while ambient lighting runs along the ceiling, casting a calm and welcoming glow. Every surface feels deliberate, every material carefully selected for long-term quality. Moving toward the center, a fully equipped kitchenette showcases polished stone countertops, high-gloss cabinetry, and premium fixtures. It is designed for practicality, yet executed with unmistakable sophistication. Adjacent to it, the private bedroom offers a plush, full-size bed framed by elegant wood accents and subtle lighting. The space feels quiet, insulated from the outside world, ensuring restful nights wherever the journey leads. The bathroom continues the theme of indulgence. Marble-style walls, gold-toned fixtures, and a sculpted basin elevate what is typically a functional space into something truly luxurious. It feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a vehicle interior. Up front, the cockpit blends advanced technology with classic craftsmanship. Digital displays provide navigation and vehicle information in a clear, refined layout. The steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather, sits before a modern instrument cluster, while the panoramic windshield enhances visibility and openness. Rear passenger seating resembles executive-class lounge chairs, complete with individual controls and generous legroom. On the road, this Mansion Motorhome is engineered for smooth, composed travel. Multiple axles provide stability, while advanced suspension systems absorb imperfections with grace. The ride is quiet, controlled, and reassuring, designed for relaxed cruising rather than hurried arrival. What truly sets the 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansion Motorhome apart is its philosophy. It transforms long-distance travel into a refined experience. Rather than treating the journey as a necessity, it turns it into the highlight itself. Strength, elegance, and comfort exist in perfect harmony. For discerning travelers who value privacy, craftsmanship, and timeless design, this motorhome offers something few vehicles can: the feeling of home, elevated to an entirely new level. If you enjoyed this feature, please subscribe to Mobyx Auto, and share your thoughts below. Would this be your dream way to travel? Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next review.